Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete content on your Dropbox account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, and some content that we have uploaded to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Search for this. Enter for Dropbox. Click on Dropbox.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Account, My Dropbox. And what we have on screen is an overview of all files. Now let's go to Folders. CSV is the folder that we created in the previous tutorials. And now if I was to, let's just say, go within Suggested for You, click on the three dots on the video and try and navigate for the delete button, we may struggle to find this. However, if I were to now, let's go down to All Files, Video, and then the delete button would appear on top. However, if I were to, let's just say, want to select multiple items and then delete those at the same time, I would click on the box next to name. That auto selects everything within all files, and then we have that delete button. Click on this. Delete 2 items. Are you sure you want to delete 2 items from the Dropbox? Yes, we are. Click on delete. Deleting 2 items. Those 2 items in that folder have been completely deleted. If I was to, let's just say, now go back, go to all files again, click on that folder, go to delete. The folder itself has now been completely deleted, and everything now sits within the deleted files folder within Dropbox in your account. So we can now go back to home, quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.